So I'm always in reactive mode, almost, to some of the people who are looking to start a new program or help to expand new things. And I always tell them the same thing I'm about to tell you, is that it's the long game. Your fundraising plan is the long game. So there are no shortcuts in this work. Sometimes we get lucky, right? And I'm sure all of you have had moments where you've gotten lucky in this work, where you've talked to the right person at the right time and it's garnered a gift, or you've had a moment in the media based on something that's happened to you. Those moments are wonderful, but they are not the rule, they're the exception. And so for you to be successful, you've got to be able to 100% say, I am going to do the work that is hard, and I am going to go the long game. So I just want to start under that assumption, right? And I think that if you can build out a plan knowing that that is your strategy, today will be the hardest day of it all. And that the rest of time moving forward will be successful. In all three organizations, the two I worked for, the friend that I helped, I will say this: we started at a point where we were building out a plan, we had our funds, we had to sustain the work that was happening in that moment in time, and then we moved forward, and the efforts that we've seen were double-digit by year one, and then they doubled again in year two. And at year three, where I'm at, I've had a 70% increase in 3 different lines of my business, and it's because I follow a written plan. When I feel something, I have to vet it through the paperwork that I wrote 2 years ago. And I have to really look at, is this the direction of the work that we need to be doing?